Good day, I'm Abdi Berges from BSIT4B, and I will be presenting how to install ADDS for my Activity 4. Now, let's start. Now first, let's go to the local server. Then change our computer name. Click OK. Okay. Then let's close it and restart it later on. Now next will be the remote desktop. Click the allow remote connections to this computer, apply, then OK. Then we will now change the time zone. Change time zone, then pick Hong Kong. Oh, Singapore, since there's no Hong Kong in here. And as you can see, our date and time is now correct. Now in Windows Update, you can decide if you want to update it or not, but for me, I will not update it now, and I will more focus in ADDS. Click the Windows firewall, then go to the turn Windows firewall on or off and turn off both of them. Then that's it. Let's close it. Then we will now change the IP addresses. Open network and sharing. Then click the Ethernet and properties. Then go to the IPv4. 19168.10.10. Subnet mask, it will automatically add that. We put gateway 1. That's okay. Okay again. Close. Now let's restart our computer. Let's refresh it first to be sure. Continue. I'm gonna fast forward this since it will be long. Then let's unlock and input the password that we decided, which is apple pie 219. Let's full screen this. Just wait. Then now we will add rows. Next again, and next. We will check the Active Directory domain services, add features, and next. Next again, and install. Now I'm gonna fast forward this too. Then as you can see, the ADDS and file and storage services below is now okay. Now let's add a new forest and create a root domain name. VMware app.local. Oh, it's wrong in here, so I'm gonna just change this. Next. Put the password again upon pie 219. Next again, and we will just wait for the NetBIOS domain name that the computer will give us. Okay, next. Next. Just read this to review your selections. I'm gonna fast forward this too after I install it. Okay, let's log in. Apple pie 219. Now, let's just wait. As you can see, our rows in here are okay, the ADDS, DNS, and the file and storage services. Now let's go to the tools to check it. Let's go to the Active Directory users and computers. And as you can see, it's all okay in here. Now let's check the DNS. Click the name of your PC. And it's all okay in here too. So that's all for activity 4. Thank you for watching.